What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to use investigating.com for cryptocurrencies. So let's get started guys. Firstly, what you're gonna do is just go to your investigating.com app or investigating.com website and then log in with your account. Then you'll be redirected to this platform, which is your investigating.com home screen. Now, as you want to use this platform for cryptocurrency, what you can do is just go over here where you can find this crypto option. Just tap on it and then you'll be redirected to cryptocurrency platform. So I guess I have slow network. So guys, you can see now we are in the cryptocurrency platform. Over here you can have all the cryptocurrencies which will be listed like this: the Bitcoin, BNB, Solana, and everything. Over here you can go to particular cryptocurrencies and check their values, check everything over there, charts, the workflow, or let's say the cash flow as well, the dividends, everything. So that's how you use investigating.com for cryptocurrency guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment for more news and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.